Good morning, everyone. I am getting ready for my open house. Today I am excited because this is my first vlog and I am nervous and excited at the same time. I'm just getting dressed, putting on a little bit of makeup so I can get ready for my open house because I don't like to be late. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see any other things I do during the day, or just give me some pointers, some feedback, since this is my first vlog. Okay? All right, thanks. All right, guys, I am getting ready to leave to go for my open house. So here is what I'm gonna do. So I have my bag ready with all my items. Put this stuff in the car. Can't forget my signs, my open house signs. Got to have my signs. So I have a few signs. This sign will go in the yard. And these signs I am going to put out at the entrance of the housing development and someplace else. Wherever I can put the signs. So I think that's all. I think that's all that I need right now. So I will see you soon. Wow, stuck in some Sunday traffic. Hopefully this doesn't set me back too far, but we shall see. I have reached the home of my open house, so I am going to get set up and take you with me and give you a sneak peek of this beautiful home. Let's see. First of all, I am going to turn on all of the lights. And open up the blinds to let all the light in. All right, so little booties. And I am going to set up my registration sign. Take out all of my items. Over. My open house flyers. And my registration form for all the people who attend the open house. And of course, my business cards. Very important that I have my business cards with me. And the hand sanitizer, which is a must. And I'm going to open up the blinds in here. I love a lot of lights in homes. I think it makes it look so much better. I'm going to take you on a tour as soon as I turn on all the lights. Alright, let's go upstairs and I'm going to turn on more lights. Take a look. There's all the neighbors outside, the yard, closet. Leave that open a little bit. Second bathroom. Very spacious. Very nice. the basement. Nice spacious basement. Lots of storage. So it's unfinished, but there's a lot of space to, if you wanted to finish it, it's a lot of space. This is just the finished area here. And then you have a walkout. So it walks up to the backyard. The garage here. Beautiful home. Here's the washroom on the main level and a half bath. Coat closet here, and a 2-car garage. Well, I have everything set up for my open house, and it's almost 12 o'clock. It's 11:55. So hoping to have a nice turnout. It looks like we have some people coming now. How are you? Yes. Welcome. You can remove or use the shoe covering. That would be great. Thank you. How you doing? All right, so I'm about to wrap up this open house. We had a couple groups come in to see the home, so hopefully we'll get this house sold soon. So I'm gonna go around and shut off all the lights and make sure all the doors are closed. All right, I'm just leaving my open house on my way back home. I'm gonna go and pick up this sign. I cannot forget that. I always forget to pick up my open house signs. But I'm gonna go around and get that. Yeah, generally the open houses are much more active, but you know, but that happens. So alright, I'm gonna go get my sign. Now leaving this nice community. I could see myself living here. It's a very nice. I love how the homes, they're all different styles and they're well maintained. It's a great location. So who knows? Maybe I'll end up purchasing a home here.
Turn left.
I am now home from my open house. I am so excited that I finished my first vlog. So please comment, like, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And you can also contact me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's Sold by Stacy. That's B-U-Y-S-T-A-C-E-Y. And I will see you all soon on my next vlog.